Yes, guys, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to my tutorial. Yeah, today I'm going to show you how you can make a Metro Boomin type beat. So I just try to create a emotion lap beat, but I just do research about how Metro Boomin make his project. So there are some secrets you can know when you uh, watch this tutorial. So if you're new here, guy, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. My name is Johofoxer. Johofoxer TZ. Yeah, so thank you, and here we go. Yeah, so I just play an 11 pattern only in this beat. So it's good. I just play a few patterns in my beats in my project. So the first one I just play this is electric piano. It is stock sound. Yeah, so I just play my emotional chord and it sound like this one. Yeah, so on this I just add the equalizer. I just cut some highs on my chord. After that, set jump to this one is ethnic. It is sample pack, not one shot, but I just when you come to volume envelope, just realize use track a little bit of 3% percent, then hold 75%, sustain 45%, release here you can add up to 50%. Yeah, so I just like how it sounds. So it sounds like this one. And on this, I just put a fluid delay on this one, fluid delay 3. So yeah, to give more bounce, yeah. So after that, I just use this one pads, and I just set as I set my scenic, and I play my pad as I play my chord progression. Yeah, and in my pad I just add a fruit parametric equalizer and cut some lows and highs and a little bit of mid, yeah. So I just like the frequency of my pad. So after that I jump to create just type of fruit, and also in this one I just it's my one shot I download, but I just put release up to 100%, sustain up to 50, yeah. Yeah, simple like this one. Yeah, so let's go to my drum groove, and I start with my crap. My crap sound like this one. Yeah, then I add the hi-hat. Yeah, I just play simple. Yeah, then I add this one kind of afro limb here, afro limb. Sorry, doing this one, then, yeah. As you see here, some volume I just arrange my volume like you see, so it sound like this one. Sorry. Yeah, after that I add open hi-hat. And then my limbs and the hi-hat here, like a good thing I take, I just use this one hi-hat, fruit panomatric to pan sounds. Yeah, that is good things I do. After that, I just add, yeah, this one, the first airways, but sound good. I just realize sound deep, you know, so I just play simple and sound like this one. Yeah, so on that I just add soft creep, control, you know. Yeah, after that I just play my second airways is cinematic airway, and it sound like this one. Yeah, and on this I just add a wave shaper, this one. Yeah, and I finish by playing my kick, you know. Yeah, and also in my kick I just add a wave shaper here, so you can copy this one sign you see here. Yeah, so that is my thing. So let's go to show you my drum grooves when they are together, which sound it can provide, they can provide, you know. Yeah, so sound like this one. Yeah, so when I add my first airway that I told you, it sounds like this one. Yeah, but when I play with my second airways here, it sounds like this one. Yeah, that is how I make this beat. So if you're new here, guys, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and a little bit let hear how beat sound when you combine my things together. This is my intro. Yeah, so on this one I just add the reverb and delay on it, so you can see here. So this instrument will be available to my channel. Thank you for watching. We'll meet in another tutorial.